Hello. Hello, my God. Hello.
Dirty face. Good morning, Philippines!
Little man, what a position, little bag. Little bag, what are you doing? Huy. 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 What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at the position, guys. Come here. Come. Come here. Come. Hubs, get down, bag. Dimples, oh. Nakikinig yan kapag kantahan. Lalabas yan. Come here, Jimal. Han, call Hubsy, bag.
Hello, man.
Nah, he listen to you. Look at it. I'm still happy. Every time makita talaga tong mga ano namin, yung upuan. Nasasayahan na. Where did you put that? Nilagunsa man mo ron, day. Asa man is full decks. Ngi. What is that, Han? Kausap ko yung kapatid ko, guys. Nag-vlog ko dayo eh. Nag-video ko, samtang naglakaw-lakaw. Asa man yung ako. Magtrabaho mi sa gawas eh. Mura man kog nag-uma, nagbalik. Uy, na ako'y mga batong dayo. Daghan kay day bunga, day. Kapila. Tuupuan na ni kapo. Oh, nagtanong ko, mamatay. Halaan, you have to close this, Han. O patra ka punuan, day. Dagkalima na ako nag-harvest niya. Daghan na po yung bunga, oh. Han, is that how you're going to do that? Where's the thing? Over there, or they keep digging and over there too. And in front here too, look what happened, guys. Tignan nyo to, guys. Ginawa ng mga kigwa. Naay hayop diri ba nga kanang magsigirang gani og kanang kalot sa among yuta. Pare haragod eh. Oh my God, that smells something. Yeah. Is that gonna poison us? Huh? Over there too. Summer man. Basta summer, init. Pag winter, sa tugnaw kayo. And it's really not good. Kinsa man ang sabat ha? Kung sa to imo yung ganito, wala pa mo nangaon. Hapit naman alas 9. That's it? Only one bag? Mag-cut pa ko sa grass eh. Anyway guys, tapos na ako sa labas. Well, hindi pa talaga. Kaso yung battery na ginamit ko nasira. Nasira. Lobat na. So, charge ko na lang ngayon. Naglilinis lang ako dito. And maliligo din ako guys. Ang init guys. Mag-film pa kami ni Tami mamaya. We're going to film a video. And then, yeah. Tulog na tulog. Yung asawa ko. Come baby, come to mama. Aduh.
Digital Blu-ray and DVD.
Baby girl.
Just give me a racket and watch
Guys,
me go.
oh, tignan nyo to how lovely.
Or an understudy.
Hala, somebody's over there. I love you so much.
Well,
Guys, this is my first Well, actually, not my first. My 1, 2, 3, 4.
When your V-neck looks
This is
more
my
like a
4th
U-neck,
born
that's when you know
baby.
it's
My
that
fourth
loss.
born. My fourth is Taston as Taston. I love you, baby. What? Where are we going? How big is that?
Put two in the front, and then I have to get another one.
Front over there. I'll
I
prioritize
should
it.
put one here.
And one over there.
Like feet, you think it's like 50 feet.
Huh?
So this should cover here.
Don't not in the thing.
Why?
Because every time I mow,
No, supposedly it won't affect the mower. The mower won't affect it. We'll have to put it here, I guess.
just
But
do
it's
it
not-
like that. Careful with your hand, huh?
You can't cover it with mulch either.
Yeah.
With my arm.
I can put the rock.
All right.
What? It's right here. Oh, I want it here because this is where the focus. Oh, over here.
Here. I'm gonna take your hand. You
Trust me?
trust you more, I trust me.
Make noise too.
Yes, it sends sonic vibrations in the ground.
Okay.
They don't like that.
Oh, guys, nakakapagod talang buhay na to. I really like the way they do their yard over here. Tammy is planning to get some cold cuts. Cold cuts, is that how you called it? Oh, reminds me to get the Hawaiian bread. I don't have any more bread. Wala na akong croissants. Kinain na. Hubs ate all my croissants, guys. For how many bags I have, Hubs ate it all. What?
Hey, really?
Huh? What is it? Oh my God. Of course it's tough because maybe you are like... Oh, oh, I saw something. Oh, oh, get two.
I think we're gonna have to do this on this aisle.
Huh?
This aisle is
Apple juice is in the regular aisles over there. Lala. Wala, there's another one.
I see him up.
Monster truck. That's the one in the game. Monster truck. Wala, blinking na itong camera ko. Yeah, papauwi na kami. And so, mag-burger dinner kami. Burger dinner and what is that?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
Potato skins.
Potato skins, Tommy like it. I'm not a really big fan of potato
That's
skins.
what you know. You didn't have it, you would know.
Huh?
You didn't have it, you would know.
I did have before.
You said you didn't have it.
This kind, I know. The one that you got. So, yeah. Ang ganda ng panahon, guys. Hello. Hello, my God. Hello.
The Venus Coach.
Hi. How good looking up.
He grills it.
And I'm so ugly, guys.
Grills it.
Yeah, it's turning on.
Turning on? It doesn't turn on. It's either on or it's not on.
It's on. Oh, let me see. You don't miss me.
You're right here. I didn't even... Yeah.
I know. No.
Nice.
Look, guys, he's always making up something. Mag-barbecue kami, guys. Barbecue, guys. Barbecue. Tatas-taas sa loob. Kasi ang init. Yeah, it's done. It's ready.
Yeah, well, it takes 16 minutes for this.
Oh, it's ready. Okay.
This takes... This is almost the same.
Is that supposedly be
7
grilled?
minutes and then 9 minutes. No, this is microwave.
Okay, and this one is quick, right?
Yeah.
But you want mine did. I want mine did.
I know you want it.
Maybe you need to give me the small one. Okay? I want the small one. Small one at 2. Tignan nyo, guys. How do you call this?
Sliders.
Sliders. Like it is slide in your plate. That's what it is. Na, sunog. Sunog. I have to clean this grill.
What's the issue?
School started.
Oh. New school starting. What does that mean?
And this time is much tougher.
I didn't have cheese.
Yeah.
I had cheese now.
This one.
I didn't have cheese. Do you want a piece?
No. I know you add something that's quitting.
On the potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Not on the burger. Dirty face.
Oh, I must have her phone. She probably grabbed mine again. Listen, this is her husband. You have my number right there, probably. Give that a call. Yeah, I did like
Yes.
for no reason. You look like an attitude, don't you?
Thank you for the parents. Maybe you'll help me
Oh,
on the
You gonna down on dogs?
blessed be our new
I see one of those got in her plate.
Sit down a little, man.
But did you chase Dimple away from the food?
No. I'm going to clean up the cat poop and then I'm gonna put it in the garbage, okay? They left. So now it's time for me to Tommy forget to close the window. Shit. Let me see kung na-close ba ni Tommy. We go out this way. Let me see kung naano ba ni Tommy yung ano. Hala, look, the windows open. Ay, tignan nyo yan. Tignan nyo yan. Okay. Dito ko na lang to guys. I-in ko na lang tong vlog dito sa labas ng bahay. Kasi pagpunta ko sa loob, balik naman tayo trabaho doon sa taas. Mag-i-edit na naman tayo. And so yun. So, andun yung mga aso ko. Dalawang aso ko. Nag-ano sila, nagpupi-pupi. Tara, punta na kami sa taas. And before that, tomorrow guys, kailangan kong i-continue yung ano sa labas. And then, maglinis sa bahay. And then, magluluto para sa mukbang. So, gagawin ko yan lahat. Hi, Roxy. Roxy. Hi, Mitch. Hello. Hello. Hello, Mitch. Naamoy mo pa yung ano, Rox? Yung burger. Naaamoy mo pa. Yung amoy-amoy, the burgery. Roxy, there's no more burger in there, baby. No more burger, my love. Anyway, guys, bye. See you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, bye. Push na. Dali, guys.